Math 6.5. Your target questions are going to be based on this picture here. Henry counts the things he sees in the sky. Your first question asks, what is the total number of birds Henry sees? So you're looking at all the birds that Henry sees in the sky. That means the blue and the red birds together. On Tuesday, how many more blue birds does Henry see than red birds? So Henry has 8 blue birds, and then he counts 3 red birds. So how would you figure out how many more blue birds he sees than red? Are you going to add the birds together again, or will you be using subtraction? Wednesday, some red birds are in the tree. There are 7 red birds altogether. How many red birds are in the tree? So you see Henry sees 3 red birds in the sky, but there's 7 red birds altogether. So if there's 7 altogether, 3 of them are in the sky, how many birds are in the tree? Thursday, 3 more red birds fly out of the tree. How many blue birds and red birds can he still see? 3 red birds fly out of the tree. How many blue birds and red birds can he still see? So you're going to use subtraction and addition for this problem. Friday, if 5 of the blue birds hide in the tree, how many blue birds can he still see? So he's looking at 8 blue birds right now. If 3 of them hide in the tree, now how many can he see in the sky? Now we're on our red section. Remember to match the questions with the picture. So question A, which doesn't belong, goes with picture A up here. You have 4 shapes. You have an oval, a circle, a smaller circle, and a rectangular prism. One of these is different from the rest of them. Which one is it? That answer goes here on question A. B, fill in the blanks. On picture B, you're counting by tens. So count these numbers and then tell me what the last 2 numbers would be. C, write the sum. Remember, the sum is the answer to an addition problem. So looking at picture C, you have some rods and units. So don't forget to count on, after you're done counting your rods by tens, counting your units by ones. How many rods and units are there together? And how many groups of 10 do we have? You write that here. And groups of ones. D, what is the total number of student choices? Back up here in the graph for D. A lot of you are confusing this one. It's the same graph that you use in every week's work. Student choices are shown by the happy face, not the picture of what we're graphing. So how many student choices means count the happy faces. Which has more? Look at your graph. Which option, A or B, has more student choices? F, fill in the 10 frame with add-ins. So if you go to picture F, you have blank plus 9 equals 10. You have to figure out what the blank is, what number is going to go on the blank to equal to 10. And then remember, your add-ins are the numbers that we use in an addition problem. So whatever your number you write in your blank and the number 9 are your add-ins. Show me your add-ins on the 10 frame. Remember to use a different shape or color for each add-in. Complete the equation down here. You're going to write in your number that you put in your blank space. Plus 9 equals 10. Then you have your pink side. For A, use the equation in a story problem. Your equation is 9 plus 9 equals. So figure out the answer to the equation first, and then use it in a short story problem. B, copy and fill in the blank. On B, you have balanced equations. You have two addition problems on each side of the equal sign. In order for the equations to be balanced, both addition problems have to have the same answer. So figure out what 9 plus 7 is and write the answer above it. And then figure out on the other side what you need to add to 8 to get the same answer. On C, sketch the coins and count the total value. I don't need you to sketch the coins. You don't need to draw them. Just make sure you count on. Remember to count the dimes by tens, the nickels by fives, and the penny by ones. And when you're done counting by tens, continue counting by fives. When you're done counting the nickels, continue counting by ones. And then write the total down here. D and E go together. We've had a lot of practice with this. We have it every week. How long is the nail with using each unit, the squares and the paper clips? You can write your answers on these sheets if you print them out, on your answer sheet, or on your own sheet of paper like some of you have been doing. Please remember to write your name and 6.5 on top.